This is from Wolfpack. And also, better known as...
Say it. Peace Annie.
Well, of course it's Peace Annie. Who do you think it was?
Oh, okay.
We're always silly.
Okay.
She wants to do a balloon video, so I'm gonna get her to hold the camera because we need to do something about the background. Trying to figure. Oh no. No, she can't. Like.
Hi.
I don't know.
It's Peace Annie. I'm making a balloon video. This is a really thick balloon, and I got an experiment at the end, and we'll see what happens. So first I gotta stretch it. So I'm gonna do it with two different types of balloons to see if there's a difference. But like I've seen this happen. You're probably curious what this is. Okay. Let's see. Anyway, you'll have to wait until the end to find out.
Yeah.
Because surprise.
When we're gonna start the blowing, just let me know.
Okay, just start the music now.
Yeah, just tell me when is the blowing gonna start.
Now. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a thicker balloon. So, okay, grab the phone gently. Okay, I think that's pretty big.
Yeah, you should just tie it up. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now you're gonna try out the one that's a little bit thinner.
Yeah.
We're doing some comparisons on balloon tests.
Okay, so that's the first balloon that I'm gonna do this
Yeah,
with.
we're not gonna tell you where we got them. We're just doing comparisons.
Yeah, so I'll show you what's going on. Okay, so now I blow up this balloon.
So if you get a rubber and you wrap that around somebody's wiener, you probably wouldn't want this one.
What's up?
What's a rubber, really?
I don't know.
The thing that you put over a penis?
Never heard of it.
A condom? Like,
Never used one. I'm just kidding.
Never used one.
That's why I have tons of babies. I'm just kidding.
That was cute. That was actually funny.
Alright. This side blew it up pretty big. Okay. And now
we're gonna do a test, eh? You said you want to do a science experiment?
No. Oh yeah, I gotta do a science experiment, but first I'm gonna write on it.
It's gonna blow up.
Let's see if the cream color writes on the red. Okay? Let's see. Oh no, it's yellow. It's not cream. Okay. Let's write a new color.
Why don't you use a Sharpie if you want to write on a balloon?
We'll do green on the yellow one. How about that? Try that.
Oh my god, you should just use a Sharpie.
Let's see how fancy I can do this. Well, I don't know. This is a secret message.
I don't think you're gonna get it after it explodes.
Okay, fine, I'll show you before I explode it. Just for you.
Yeah, you're probably not gonna get it.
Love you.
Okay?
Love you. Okay, so now
just wait. You gotta write something on the other balloon?
Oh, I don't know if it'll work. Okay, I'll try. I'll use the green marker.
Yeah, use a different color marker or something. It's gonna make it work.
Okay. Oh, it's working. Right on.
Mm.
It's scented marker, dude.
Oh, that's nice. It smells nice.
This one's green.
Mhm.
See, now I'm signing balloons.
Yeah, look at that. It's not even autographed. We
You're
just,
a sweetie.
yeah.
Can you see it?
I'm getting it in there.
XOXO.
Excellent. You gotta love this. So which one's gonna pop first?
Okay, so what we're gonna do is, this is a surprise. We're gonna pop it with an orange pill. I know you never think of that, but we've seen it done before. And
Let's
thought
see.
we'd try it out.
Let's see if it works.
Okay.
Which one? We'll do this. We'll do the thinner one because it's probably gonna work right away.
Yeah, we'll try the
Okay.
thinner one.
Yeah, you're gonna have to lift up the balloon a little bit higher.
Okay.
That actually helps.
I'm scared. Oh shit! That worked right away. I got ink on my shirt. Oh. It's washable. The ink's washable. Don't worry.
Okay. Well, that one only lasted a few fractions of a second. Let's see how this one does. Well, we had to do science experiments. Lift it up a little.
Did it work?
I don't think so.
No, this is a thicker balloon. Oh, look at that. Okay, try one more time. It's just deflating.
It's just deflating.
Try again.
Jeez, my
Just
hand's
rub-
just covered in oranges.
Okay, just rub it all over it. Here, let me try. Oh, there's a hole right here. Cool.
Yeah, see? This is a better quality balloon. It didn't actually explode from an orange peel.
See, I have my hand just above the hole.
Yeah.
You can hear the wind.
See, this was our science experiment. Some balloons are actually good.
This is a great balloon.
Yeah.
Look, it says love you in small
Look.
letters. Isn't it gorgeous?
Yeah, it didn't even blow up. It just
It's
says,
so
I love
pretty.
you.
That's surprising. Yeah, this balloon was thicker.
Yeah, well, that's what Pisani and
It's
Wolfpack
just a baby.
think of about
Baby
everybody.
balloon.
Oh, it's an Easter egg now.
It's
Aw,
Happy Easter. See?
Cute.
Hold it. It's an Easter egg.
It's
Who
an
wants
Easter
to do
egg.
an Easter egg hunt with me? There. Now it's an egg. Oh yeah, that's the same thing.
Anyways, that was fun. That was our science experiment for today.
Yeah, that was fun. It smells like green apple now.
It's an orange.
Oh, it smells like green apple and oranges.
Oh yeah, the marker had sense. I forgot.
That's a scented marker, green apple.
Okay, hope you enjoy, love, whatever. Share it if you want. Do whatever you want to do.
Or a Christmas tree. It's
What?
a tree. It smells like a tree because it's so...
I don't think we can blow up a tree.
Okay.
Oh, it's an inflatable.
Yeah.
Okay, let's end this one.
Love you.
Everybody loves you.
Monkey. Love
Cheers.
you. Cheers.
Peace.
Peace. Peace out.